Iberian ham. Loads and loads and loads of Iberian ham. They sell it everywhere here. And they also cut them fresh for you. Right at this cutting table. Really, really good stuff. Probably the best ham that you can get anywhere in the world is here in Spain. Absolutely delicious. And of course, I can't go without buying my own. And there's the butcher guy who cuts it himself. And this is right in the mall, and you can find this kind of shops just about everywhere. Takes great precision to cut this stuff in thin, paper thin slices.
Thanks.
Try this. That stuff is amazing. Some of this stuff, as you can see, are hundreds of dollars a kilo. It's amazing.